Estimating the cost of installing laminate flooring for 500 square ft.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss an important topic for home renovators and DIY enthusiasts: the cost of materials and labor to install laminate flooring in a 500 square foot area. Let's break it down step by step so that you can estimate your flooring project budget more accurately.
Cost of laminate flooring material.
Firstly, we need to understand the cost of the material itself. Laminate flooring prices can vary significantly depending on the quality and style of the laminate you choose. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the average cost of laminate flooring ranged from about 70 cents to $3 per square foot. However, you may want to check current prices as they may have changed. Given a 500 square foot area, your material costs could range from $350 to $1,500. Remember, it's always a good idea to buy a little extra to account for waste or errors.
Underlayment costs.
Laminate flooring often requires an underlayment, which is a thin, padded material that goes under the laminate. This can cost between 20 cents to 75 cents per square foot. For our 500 square foot area, this means an additional cost of $100 to $375.
Cost of labor for installation.
Now, let's consider the labor costs. If you're not doing the installation yourself, professional installation costs can also vary widely, but a general estimate is between $1 to $3 per square foot. For our 500 square foot area, this means labor could cost between $500 and $1,500.
Additional costs.
Lastly, don't forget to factor in additional costs. These may include removing and disposing of your old flooring, preparing the subfloor, and any necessary trim or molding. These costs can vary greatly depending on the specifics of your project, but they could add an additional $200 to $500 or more to your project. In summary, for a 500 square foot area, you can expect to pay approximately $1,150 to $3,875 for a laminate flooring project when considering materials, underlayment, labor, and additional costs. Remember, these are just estimates, and the actual cost can vary based on the specific materials, your location, and the complexity of the installation. We hope this video helps you plan your next home renovation project more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy renovating!